dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Welcome back to my channel, dolls. It's Deandra Renee, and today I am here to show you how I got these 2 pigtails with a lace frontal. So if you guys want to see this look, make sure you stay tuned. Okay, dolls, so I'm starting out with a pre-made unit that I colored myself. If you guys are interested in all of that info, make sure you check out that video. But I am going to glue this to my head using a new lace glue that I was sent. This is called Isha. I will have all of the information down below, but I am just putting on 1 coat.
Pull up in the Rari, my beside me. It's a 2-seater, yo, can't rock.
And I'm just taking a utensil and flattening that glue out, and then I'm going to take my blow dryer and make that glue tacky, and then I am going to repeat. So I will be adding another layer to this, so you're just doing the same method. So now that it's tacky, I'm going to go ahead and apply my wig. And I'm just making sure that my lace is fully flat everywhere. And once my glue has dried, I am taking my foundation and just applying that to my lace to help camouflage that glue that kind of is showing through that lace. So I want to camouflage that as well as camouflage the lace. Now to set my baby hairs, I will be using my Got To Be glue along with a toothbrush. So I have created those baby hairs. Now I am going to tie this down. And I waited about 15 minutes, and then I went ahead and took that scarf off. So now it is time to make my pigtails. So my lace is looking really nice, so I'm happy to see that. So I'm going to go ahead and make my part and put my hair into 2 pigtails. Now I'm leaving the back of my hair down just because you could put up all of your hair, but I'm choosing to leave a little bit down. So this is just a spray bottle with water and conditioner in there. So I'm just trying to get my ponytails sleek, and I'm just brushing those into pigtails.
If you let me, these other girls don't give a damn about you. It's not you, baby, but the things you do. And they can tell you anything you wanna hear, sending pictures with their clothes off. But I hope you don't forget that they don't love you like I do. They can't put it down.
Moving on to the ponytails, I want mine to be curly and I want them to be a little bit more full. So I'm taking a bobby pin and putting it at the end of a track. Now I'm going to bobby pin that into the ponytail and then wrap it around.
Telling me I'm your everything. Meanwhile, she's at home all alone, and she's watching, wanting everything you feel with me. But she don't know all the things that we've been through. Yeah, she see you do, she see you like I do. You rap for me, boy.
And to finish it off and camouflage the track, I'm just wrapping the hair around all of the tracks so you can't see any of them.
They can't put it down like I do. They don't ever care like I do. Go through the worst to hold you down like I do. Yeah, they don't love you like I do. They won't ever ride like I do.
And then I just took another bobby pin and just bobby pinned that little piece into that ponytail. And so you want to repeat the same for the other side.
They just want my spot, but ain't gon' treat you right. It ain't no secret, baby, everybody knew. Like Bonnie and Clyde, I'm here by your side. Should I know that I'm here for the ride? Bitches be capping, they don't give a fuck.
So then I'm taking my water bottle and spraying that hair that's left out in the back, because I need to braid it to give it that crinkly, curly look that my pigtails have.
Hey, 'cause I'm on my way. Telling you I'm on my way. Yeah, I'm on my way.
So then I'm going to tie this down, and then I ended up going to sleep and waking up, but you don't have to do it for that long. But here is my finished look.
No. Yeah. They don't love you like I do. They can't put it down like I do. They don't ever care like I do. Go through the world, still hold you down like I do. Yeah, they don't love you like I do. They won't ever ride like I do. They don't give a damn about you. And they won't ever love you like I do.
Now y'all be sure to make sure you subscribe, because I will be doing a haul on this look right here. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to check out some of my other videos. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Leave a comment down below what you think of this video, and I'll see you in my next one.